Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today I'll be picking one card for the message from your person. So this may be what your person wants to tell you today. And one card for the fortune cookie for you all today. That will be the lucky inspiration. Gemini. So if this reading resonates, if you like this reading, please comment and like. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Two of Moons in reverse, Four of Stars and Four of Suns. So today in your circumstances, Gemini, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone in some kind of misunderstanding may be there. Maybe it may be your present circumstance or it would have happened sometime before, a few days back maybe. So you were really stressed or sad because of this misunderstanding or argument, some kind of a stressful circumstance in your relationship, and you were worried about that. But today, for some of you, you are just thinking of ways to make it right. Maybe if you feel that you were the reason for this misunderstanding, it may be in this relationship, you are thinking of ways to change this circumstance today, change this misunderstanding, because you love this person, you want them. And maybe if you are the one who has moved away from this person, you are thinking of ways to get back to them, and you want to change yourself. Maybe you are trying to assess. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe they are thinking of ways to change themselves. Maybe they are feeling really bad for having hurt you and they want to change. They want to change their old ways and they are changing. That is what I see, Gemini. So they are making a very good, honest effort to change themselves because they love you and they don't want to behave the same way with you anymore because they love you. And this may be a true love, the beginning of true love, because this person respects you and they really care for you, Gemini. And maybe for some of you, this person is coming home to meet you, to for reconciliation. So this person, this person you love, Maybe you were in a separation, but today everything is resolving and they want to come back to you because they truly feel that it is you they love and you are the one who has captured their heart. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 3 of Suns. So with this card, maybe you will come to a beautiful understanding. Both of you will work together as in a friendly way, and things will change, and at each and every level you will see goodness and happiness being radiated in this relationship, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have one card here. So it is Ace of Spheres in reverse. So with this card, maybe in your circumstances there may be lot of opportunities. Some opportunities may be good, some opportunities may look good, but it may not be good. The outcome may not be good. So you must be aware of your opportunities, what will work for you, and you should think clearly. If you are making some important decisions today, you must think clearly for yourself. Separate the good ones from not so good ones. It may look like something good, but the results may not be good. So you must think clearly and make a choice in your work circumstances, Gemini. So let's see what is the message from your person. So we have picked one card here. Even though I don't show it, I am sorry for how things went between us. So maybe this person is truly sorry. That may be the reason they are planning to come towards you. They have realized their mistakes and they want you and they love you. That may be the reason they are thinking of reconciliation, coming back to meet you soon, Gemini. So for your fortune cookie for today, let's see what is the card here. Sunshine. The sun is shining on you. Career and business growth. Fabulous communication in relationship. A very good positive fortune cookie for your Gemini today. So good communication, that is the foundation for any good relationship. So that is the energy here, and that is what is going to happen today in your life, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Gemini. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.